That's right. I got some creepy stuff for you guys. Yeah, because this is creepy in every which way. The first one is, damn, they actually make shoes of that? And second is, why does Primo have these shoes? Run my intro. This is about to get even creepier than what it already is. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, and hopefully even more. Oh wait, I forgot something. Stay away from the drama, guys. Stay away from the drama. But hopefully you guys are actually enjoying the beginning of the Halloween week. You guys like it, right? I started off with the dinosaur world. I had what's the other one? I don't even remember my own name sometimes. Oh shit, I can't even remember my own kids' names. Oh, the Jack Skellington. That's right, the Jack Skellington. So how do you guys liking it so far? Remember, guys, this is after Jack Skellington, obviously. Well, guys, after this that I'm about to show you, yeah, you guys probably saw it in the thumbnail already, a shoe for gamers with a little bit of horror. Yes. Besides this right here, it's going to be 2 more videos. It's going to be the Halloween pickup that I'm going to do this year. And I actually got a few, but I picked the one that I thought was my favorite for now. And then I'm going to show you the clothing haul of all the hats that came out from certain companies and certain exclusives for Halloween. A lot of glow in the dark, beautiful hats too, guys. Clothing, all type of stuff. But yes, we're going to get into this one right here immediately. And yes, guys, it is the Vault-Tec 111 standard issue Volt shoe. Yes, guys, yes. Remember, there's a lot of people out there that claim that they're sneaker collectors. No, they're not sneaker collectors. Sneaker collectors is when it becomes creepy. That's serious. That it's, you spend a lot of money on things that you're never gonna wear. That you just have them because you collect shoes. That's why I say there's personal collectors. There's people that just buy what they like and they have their personal little collection, but they're not collectors. Collectors is when you already start to become creepy in this, like someone that's talking to you right now. I've always said it. This is the weirdest obsession and the weirdest thing in the world. It is what it is. So like it is Halloween week, one more creepier than the actual shoe. It's not really creepy, but one more creepier than what the hell's Primo doing with this? Yes, guys, you know, that's the whole point of it. You guys want to get into it? I have no presentation to this. I'm going to show you the pictures. Check it out. That is the picture. The picture actually comes with, you know, the whole box. It comes with a little bit of paper. A little bit of paper. What the hell am I talking about? It comes with an actual, like, little authenticity. And it says Vault-Tec issue. The whole thing. It's like if you received it from the Vault-Tec. Why don't I have the presentation to this? Because I just decided one day to get rid of all my boxes. Just to prove that I don't sell my shoes. Very stupid. Yes, guys. Yes, I decided to just prove a point. And there's actually a short. I posted the short of me burning the boxes. I actually posted a short of all the shoes, over 200 pair of shoes that rotted away in the storage unit. So yes, guys, you know, a little PTSD when it comes to the shoe world. Anyways, guys, I don't have it. You know, I burned it. Very stupid. Should have never done that. Beautiful presentation too. But hey, the whole point is having the shoe, guys. And let's get into it immediately. You already know how I start this off, guys. The material. Pretty weird, huh? Yeah, I know. And the toe box. Well, guys, let me be honest with you. In this shoe, there's really not much to say. Because there's a couple of little things here and there that you guys are gonna actually appreciate for it, and for gamers, they're gonna love it. But the reality is that the whole toe box, it has this overlay in blue suede, but the whole upper of the shoe is blue suede. The whole side of the shoe is blue suede. The tongue is blue suede. All there is of different material is when it comes to the midsole and when it comes to the inner lining of the shoe. Oh, and if you actually want to make a big fuss about it, the 111 is actually printed onto the suede. But anyways, as you guys can see it right there, the whole toe box has this nice overlay that's very nicely sewn. The shoe is amazing quality, guys. This shoe I've had for many years, and I wore them many times. And yes, it's one of my most complimented shoes I've ever had, if not the most complimented. Everybody knows, and everybody that's a fan of Fallout, they just cannot hold themselves from saying something. How the hell did you get that? And then the crazy part about it is the quality, guys. Yes, the suede is superb quality. Staying in the top of the shoe, like I said, the whole overlay of the top, it's actually blue suede, the same as the toe box and the side and the back. The tongue, same suede also. You know, it just gets creepier, guys. Yeah, it just doesn't change at all. The shoelaces are in a nice royal blue. Hey, that one changes a little bit right there. And all the way in the top of the tongue, it says in yellow, printed. It's not sewn or anything like that. It says Vault-Tec Corporation BSW. Going into the inside of the shoe, guys, the back of the tongue is in full yellow, the same as all the lining inside of the shoe. The insole is in blue. Remember, guys, this is supposed to be a Vault issued shoe, like if you were inside of the Vault itself. I love the lore behind this. This is amazing. That's one of the reasons why I bought it. Behind the tongue, there is a little thing over here, just so you guys can see it. It is a 9.5 and tweak. Yes, tweak. It is not twerk. If you guys see it right there, gender, unisex, upper, leather, outsole, rubber. It is like if it was basically the actual Vault issued shoes. Pretty dope. All the way in the bottom, though, it does say 2015 Bathesda Softworks LLC, trademarks property of ZeniMax Media Incorporated. You guys know the rest right there. I'm showing you just so you guys can see all the details. Now, going to the side of the shoe, you guys see underlaying the top and the toe box, it has that same beautiful blue suede with the Vault 111 numbers printed onto that suede. Now, ankle collar does have a stitching just so it can make a difference, but it's the exact same suede, just with a little bit of a hint there, you know, and it has like a little, like you could say maybe a little cushion around the ankle collar. You can say that. Going all the way to the back, yes, now this is on an overlay, and it has the same exact suede, and all the way in the back it has that Vault-Tec logo. The top has nothing printed or nothing embossed, but it is matching with the inside of the shoe, with the inside lining in that same yellow leather. Yes, everything is one shot yellow leather. Going to the midsole, this to me reminds me a lot of like an ASICS style shoe, ASICS 1130 or something like that, you know, the old school ASICS, like a Kith collab or something. I don't know, it just reminds me of that, guys. And it is split into two colors, white in the top and blue in the bottom. More of a royal blue compared to the top blue. It is more of a brighter blue. Now going to the sole of the shoe, it is jet black all the way through. No type of crazy tread patterns or anything like that, guys. I'm telling you, if it's rainy outside and it's slippery, you're done. Yes. Don't even talk about it. You're done. Your kneecaps are going to end up in your groin. So be careful with these. If you ever do buy them, odds are you guys are never going to buy them. You guys are probably just seeing them like, holy crap, Primo's nuts. Or this is pretty damn cool. I don't know which of the two. Leave your comments below. Yeah, leave your comments below. Let me know what you actually think about this, you know. I already sort of imagined, but it is what it is. And right in the middle, it has the logo of the company who made it. So yes, there you have it. The Vault-Tec 111 Bathesda shoe. Yes, guys. Straight from Bathesda. Pretty crazy, huh? They actually make things like this, and people have no idea about it. They're still very consumed about garbage that everybody else has. These are the type of things that I like. Things that, believe it or not, are weird. Awkward. That's what I like. So, when it comes to this, they do have a variety of other Vault shoes, just in case you guys want a different number or something like that. They do have them there. I don't know. I'm going to try to put an affiliate link below. Going to try. I don't know who sells this. I don't know who's selling it. Once again, guys, I don't promise anything. I just wanted to present you with something extremely rare and that you could still get your hands on if you are a Fallout fan like myself. Ka-ching! You know what I'm saying? Yes! Another meaning behind it. But you guys know what I mean. I'm a big fan of Fallout. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace! Vault Boy, Primo, coming in. I don't know, I'm just making up crap. El cohete.